Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about something many of us struggle with. We keep waiting. Lagi po tayo naghihintay. Naghihintay po tayo lagi sa perfect time. Hinihintay natin na dumami yung pera natin. Hinihintay natin na we feel more confident. Tapos hinihintay natin kung kailan magiging madali ang buhay natin. But what if the question is like this? What if the perfect moment never comes? Paano nga ba yun? Siyempre, lagi tayo naghihintay para magkaroon ng perfect moment. Pero paano pag di dumating? By the way, guys, I'm Skylar Smile, ang inyong abang lingkod. Hindi po ako famous speaker and I'm not here to tell you that life is easy. Yes, hindi po easy ang life. Means, hindi po madali ang buhay. Kailangan po nating makibaka every day. I'm just someone here. Andito po ako at napagtanto ko that life keeps moving. Moving in a sense na kailangan po nating makibaka araw-araw talaga sa buhay. Hindi po natin kailangan mag-stop kasi ang buhay kailangan lagi tayong on the go. Whether you like it or not. We like it or not. Parang sa mga taon na nagdaraan, I've realized that time is one of the most precious gift we have. Yes, napaka-importante po. Although, we have 24 hours, then repeat na naman, but hindi po pare-parehas yun. Yung time kahapon, hindi po pare-parehas ng time ngayon. Although, parehas po silang time, pero yung gugugulin po natin sa time na yun is very different, magkakaiba po. So, nung bata pa ako, when I was younger, I thought I had all the time in the world. Kasi syempre, pag ikaw nasa kabataan mo pa, parang sabi mo, ganun. Kumbaga walang pushing, wala siyang pushing dahil andyan lahat. Gusto mong mangarap, gusto mong parang lahat ng time nasa iyo kasi bata ka pa. Pero ngayon, nagkakaedad na ako. I'm in my 50s. I understand that life, every day matters. So, it doesn't mean that we should be afraid of getting older. Of course. Kumbaga parang, syempre, kahit papano, lahat tayo natatakot tumanda. Or it's not that na natatakot ka, but paano? The question is, paano pagtanda? So, it means we should make the most of time we have. So, yun nga gaya ng sabi natin, try po natin na maging makabuluhan ang buhay natin. So, maybe we are thinking of starting a business. Paano na pag natapos na, di ba? Then, maybe we wanted to learn new skills. Like for example, pag dumating ka na sa pension age, then what's next? Parang ganon. Maybe you dream of traveling. Siyempre, traveling. Pag nasa pension age ka na, of course, mahirapan ka nang maglakad, but siyempre, consider mo rin yung pag may extra money ka, you have to travel. Tapos, para tumingin naman ng mga ibang parte ng mundo o ibang places ng city mo, ng sarili mong bansa, like that. O kaya pag yung quiet time mo, magsusulat ka ng libro, or simply becoming happier person. Happier, meaning mas masaya ka. Itatry mo na maging mas masaya ka na tao. Whatever your dream is, Kumbaga, hindi mo naman kailangang mag-push. Push and push. Kasi, kumbaga, kailangan mo ding maging calm, smooth sailing na ang buhay. Sabi nga sa Bible, hindi mo kailangang problemahin yung bukas ng marami. Kumbaga parang, hindi naman hindi mo problemahin, pero at least, hindi mo masyadong isipin or na-stress ka na dahil para sa bukas, para sa ganito. We think of today. Kailangan natin just take one step, small step. Kumbaga, we read one page a day para lang ma-calm down ka, walk for 10 minutes, call someone you've been meaning to talk to, yung kung kanino ka komportable makipag-usap, have a talk, share, write down a goal. Ibig sabihin, isusulat mo po kung ano bang goal mo yung araw na to. Small action may seem unimportant, but they become powerful when you repeat them every day. So, yun. Pagka po nakasanayan mo na, lagi mo siyang i-repeat every day, paulit-ulit lang, parang magiging easy na siya. There will be always days na you feel so tired. Parang sasabihin mo, ano ba to? Pagod na ako. Tapos nagda-doubt ka na rin sa sarili mo. Tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Pero normal po lang yun. That's normal. Kumbaga yung progress natin, hindi naman kailangan maging perfect. So, it's not about being perfect. It's all about refusing to give up. So, huwag po tayong mag-give up. Kahit hindi perfect, sige pa rin. Push pa rin. I've learned that courage doesn't mean you're never afraid. Of course. Kasi lahat po natatakot. May takot, pero kailangan po nating paglabanan. Kaya ikaw po, if you are watching this day, and life feels difficult, parang ang hirap-hirap po ng buhay, parang ang feeling mo mag-isa mo na lang sa mundo, I want you to remember this one thing. Lagi mo pong tatandaan na ang istorya ng buhay mo ay hindi pa tapos. Maaring ngayon ang simula ng bagong chapter. Hindi dahil nagbago agad-agad or nagbago na lang basta na but because you decided to take one step forward. So, ibig sabihin po, hindi po natin kailangan maging stagnant. Kahit at hindi po natin kailangang tumakbo para sa buhay natin. Meaning, a small step, one step at a time. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. And if this message encouraged you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share in a comment. Pwede po nating pag-usapan. Mag-share po tayo ng comment. Mag-share ka po ng comment. Pwede ko pong sagutin. One small step you're going to take today. Yan. Kailangan i-share mo po. Kung gusto mo pang i-share sa akin, kung ano bang gusto mong i-take na step today. So remember, it's never too late to begin. Take care, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!